Which part of your CI pipeline is automated? CI, or continuous integration, is a development practice where developers try to integrate or merge their code changes as often as possible, up to multiple times a day. The goal is to reduce the integration efforts, which is exponentially more difficult when code changes have accumulated over days or even months. CI pipelines are intended to be automated, and test automation is a key component in the pipeline because developers need rapid feedback on the changes that they made. The CI pipeline starts with automating the build process. When developers check in their code, the build server would detect the new code and compile it. Next, the compiled code is automatically deployed into a test environment. Then the unit tests are executed. Unit tests are created and maintained by the developers, as their unit tests need to test the code that they develop. Although it may be difficult to get developers to create unit tests, it is important that they understand that unit tests are the first line of defense and can quickly find a lot of defects. Unit tests should run quickly, returning within a couple of minutes. After unit tests are run and returns successful results, the smoke tests should automatically run against the new code base. Okay, so smoke tests are a tester's responsibility and should cover the more critical functionalities of the application. The results from smoke tests should also return as soon as possible. But since smoke tests can be more extensive, it can take up to 15 to 30 minutes to complete. The goal is to provide feedback to the developers as soon as possible so that they can correct any defects while the changes are fresh in their memory. Then the final step in the pipeline is to automatically communicate the results to all the stakeholders, which can be developers, testers, and managers. The results need to be reliable, otherwise the team will waste time analyzing the results.